Hello, welcome back to my bit messy workshop. Let's tidy that up. Right, so today I have a Maglight like torch. I'm told it's a good torch. Problem that it has is that will no longer undo. Now there could be a variety of different reasons for that. It has ended up with a battery left in it, which is a bad idea. We are going to apply brutality in a couple of ways, carefully and measured. So the first thing we are going to do is, and it can break corrosion sticking, is we are going to go and give it a tap with a hammer. And so as I don't mar it with this moderately dirty bit of steel, I am going to put it, use some paper, and all I'm going to do, got a 12-ounce hammer, just going to go and give it a couple of suggestions, and let's see if that done anything to it. And it hasn't, I suspect. Oh, hold on, that might actually let's try that with a slightly heavier hammer, and graduating straight up to the 24 ounce. Normally speaking, you get a corrosion between steel fixings and aluminium, and you can often break that. And the way to do that, right, that's not done a great deal. So what we are going to do now is we're going to go and grip that in paper and a vise. Is say put in whatever it is, like a flat-bladed screwdriver or whatever, onto the screw where you would normally do to undo it. Give it a bit of a tap with a hammer. You need to be particularly brutal with it, but it does free off. Hold on. Corrosion. Right, so the only what we're going to do is stick that in the vise and give it a bit of a squeeze. It's very handy, you know, having a vise. Right, now I think that the break where the thread is there. Okay. I'm going to grab another bit. Same. It's really quite marred by previous attempts by other people to open it up. Pair of channel locks. No, that's just moving the whole thing. A little bit tighter on the vise. That is undoing it. And we have a dead battery. Now let me go find somewhere I can dump that. So I do not want this acid all over my shop. Ah, that's a stack battery. There's another battery above it. Right, that battery is stuck. So, that's a pain. Right, so I've got the thread undone. Let's try and get that battery out. Hold on. Nylon brush. Right, stainless steel dentist tool. Even though this is stainless steel, still we'll want cleaning out afterwards. And I'm going to have to wash my hands quite carefully because this stuff will be horrid. Right. Okay, that's not moving. There for a sec. I just have a think about ways to approach this job. It's not going to be fun. So the problem is that battery will have expanded. Now what I'm going to try, not necessarily sure it's a good idea, is I'm just going to go and try tapping it down a little bit to see if that frees it up. Okay, well it's moved it. I'm not going to do it anymore because what we now need to do, get in there and clean the corrosion that was around there. Otherwise I might have to start drilling it out. Right, now I'm going to see if I can get that to move back down. Hold on, let me grab a bit of wood. What I'm actually going to do, see if I can get that to screw back on. Can I? I can. Then that's out the way. That might move back a bit. Once we've got it moving, it will probably shake out. I only need to get a little bit, enough of it out. Now there is there now been where the acid has sat. It's burnt a hole through that spot there. That's a may end up doing for the torch. Okay, let me just try that a little bit more. I'm doing this up all the way so that I'm not knocking on those threads. That's butted right up against there. So it's beginning to come proud. Okay, I'm beginning to pull it out. Would you believe it? Right. Okay. And you can see, I was just trying to torch up there, there's a hole been eaten through. Well, that was not so bad. Hold on. Okay, so now what's happening is, can you see that just there? Just shine the torch down. Okay, you can see a heavy corrosion in there, so the battery will slide and then it gets caught by the corrosion. Mostly now down there, but we should be able to actually clear that out. That's not aggressive enough. I'm going to use that one. And grab that one. That one was a hammer we were using, so I'm going to be really... Let's see if I can do it. Let's see if I And these look like the cheapest, nastiest batteries you can get. Right. I think that's my bit done. So I shall now hand it back to its owner. Top tip. Don't leave batteries in. Albeit if you are going to leave batteries in, a long tubular thing, probably best that you are one short. That was a nightmare to get out. You can see just how bad that corrosion is down there. And if I just shine a light down there, you can see where the acid has eaten right the way through that. That is going to require quite a lot of cleaning in order to be able to slide batteries up and down there. So we have 3 batteries out. Have this off. This is going to require quite some cleaning. Not my problem. Thank you for watching. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Comments welcome. And by the time when this video is published, I should be doing another bit of train driving, so if you like that, there will be more of that coming up.